Okay, so welcome to this week's market review and expectation. As we do it every week, I take a look at what I was expecting in the previous week against what the market delivered, and then I talk about what I'll be expecting in the coming week. All right, so this is the dollar index, and then before we continue, let me pull up. I think I took a screenshot of the previous expectation, so let me open it up. Uh, um, so okay, in the previous market, I was expecting this. Is what I was expecting. I was expecting, price to actually take out, reach out for these highs. Okay, this high and then probably this high. Okay, but before that, I was expecting that price would actually drop down and get support on this, the high end of, sorry, the lower end of this particular fair value gap. Okay, which is the high of this candle, and should we see a further drop down, I was expecting we get the support within this fair value gap. If you don't get it here, we get it somewhere here within this particular fair value gap. So if you watch the previous video, you could hear or you could hear and see all the annotations that I did. Okay, so this was our target for the previous week. Okay, and let's see what the market delivered. And okay, so this is what happened in the market. All right, so on Monday, price just opened, had the support we're looking out for. Okay, and then started to rally Monday and Tuesday, and then on the Wednesday during the FOMC meeting, price actually dropped down. Okay, and on Thursday we had the fair value gap, the most recent fair value gap on the daily charts. Okay, acting as support, the higher end acting as support, and then we actually rallied for our targets. If you watch the previous video, you could, I talked about the fact that should we close below this particular fair value gap. Okay, if you should close below this particular fair value gap, I would have actually hold on to see what price did, but we actually didn't close below it. We closed actually above this fair value gap, which is very key to our trading. And on Thursday, we dipped into the most recent fair value gap as I talked about, and then we hit our first target and then the second target. Right. So that was what the market delivered. Um, According to our expectation, everything was delivered perfectly. Okay, so in the coming week, my ultimate target is the high end here. Okay, the high end here, and then from there I'll just take a look at what next price has to tackle the high end here, and then probably maybe closing in of this whole fair value gap. So something like this. So okay, so this end is this area is the potential target for the coming week. Okay, after you take out this particular high, I look for price to actually reach into the lower end of this particular candle, which comes in at 105.587, right? Okay, but before that, let's see. I expect price to, if price should drop down, which is expected, it should drop to the high of this particular candle somewhere here, or we just below the high. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. So this is the first target, right? And then second target should be somewhere here. Okay. So that's what I'm expecting in the dollar index in the coming week. So let's see what price has to offer, and we trade according we trade accordingly. So let's head straight into the fundamentals. Let's take a look at what news impact we actually expect in the coming week. Okay, so this is the forex factory data, and then on Monday there's a mid impact, that's new home sales affecting the USD at 2 p.m. and then on Tuesday, okay, so there was not much news affecting the dollar. That's high impact side on Tuesday, the one at the CB consumer confidence, and then Wednesday we have FOMC member Wallace peak at 10 p.m. Then Thursday we have final GDP, and then unemployment claims, and then that's at 12:30. Then the same Thursday at 2 p.m. we have the pending home sales. Yeah, okay, so up to Friday we have the poll, to speak at 3:30, and then 12:30 we also have the core PCE price index. All right, so there's not much of high impacts on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, so let's see what the market has to offer, and then we trade accordingly. Then we have to bear in mind what is happening globally could also have little impacts. So let's see what the market has to offer. All right, so I wouldn't be talking about the Euro USD and then the pound USD. All right, maybe from next week going, I'll tackle those ones. All right, so enjoy your week and stay safe. Thank you.